Nowadays, since most people want to spend more money than salaries they earn, investing stocks becomes a good option. You might want to buy a pair of new shoes or be the most stylish person, like these guys. Invest in stock market and you can get all the money you need. However, many of us don't know that in the early 17th century, stocks were commonly used by ship owners to generate dividends and reduce the risk of their voyage, instead of making speculative investments. In 1648, the Dutch Republic was finally established after the 80-year Dutch War of Independence against Spain. The reason why these seemingly small and weak Dutch provinces could eventually defeat the Spanish troops can be largely attributed to their astonishing development in fishery and trade. In the late 16th century, the amount of Dutch ships equals to the sum of all British and French ships. During the Age of Sail, the prosperity of trade was generally associated with danger. Pirates and mountainous waves usually appeared with presents of gold. Even Magellan, who was supported by the mighty Spanish crown, died halfway on his voyage, and only one of his 5 ships along with 18 crews survived and finished the world travel. At that time, the price of a fast-sailing ship was about 10,000 Dutch guilders, while the average middle-class income was only 500 Dutch guilders each year. Besides, 10,000 Dutch guilders was only the cost of a ship that did not include supply fees and taxes, which might even double the amount of money needed to actually run a ship. Let's say a Dutch dude who lived an ordinary life for 40 years eventually ran a ship to India, bought some spices, and on his way back, however, encountered this gentleman, maybe this guy, this dude, or this. How would he feel? Well, we don't know exactly, but we're pretty sure that this was definitely not his hope. In this situation, stocks emerged as a way to raise money. Ship owners would sell stocks to raise money for their ships before they set out for a voyage. Once they got back with the profit gained from the trades, investors could also get dividends based on how much they invested. Some rich ship owners would even sell stocks to the public, which was the precursor of security transaction. With stock and securities being invented, the Dutch crown, along with some speculators, created the first international company, Dutch East India Company, and the first securities exchange, Amsterdam Securities Exchange. As for the trading of stocks and securities, some ship owners would adjust their stocks based on how well the ship ran and how much profit they gained from the trade. And investors could also obtain information from the crews and evaluate the potential risk of their investment.